Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Xero. Today we are going to learn how to get the items in the Xero. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So this is the code to retrieve the items using the Xero API in the Node.js. So let's dive into the code level. So let me copy this code. This we don't require, just we require the API call. Okay, copy this, go to our code base, and let's comment this one, and let's add our code over here. Okay, so what we have done, this is the base URL, this is authorization token, this is zero tenant ID. Okay, this is required. This is the base URL, and this is the endpoint, that is items that we have to fetch. Authorization, zero tenant ID, except application JSON. If response, if something goes wrong, it will go to the catch block. If everything goes right, then it will print the retrieve items. Okay, so let's save this and run this. Okay, so here we have node server. So here we have only one item, that is iPhone 15. If I go over here, you can see this is iPhone 15 only. Business, products and services, there is only one item. Let's create one new more item and check code, test 458, name, you can say test product. Okay, and cost price will be 12. Purchased would be purchase account, we can add tax, none. Test product, sale price, we can add sales, tax on sales, none. Okay, test product, save. Okay, so test product is added with the cost price and the sales price. Let's go and check this item is retrieved or not. So here we can see we have a two items block. Okay, so first one is iPhone 15, second one is test product. Okay, so we have successfully retrieved the whatever the products and the services in our Xero. Or you can say about the how to fetch the items in the Xero, right, with the help of the REST API Node.js. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.